Hello, this video is to introduce you to the workflow and interface of After Effects. So I've opened up After Effects. I'm going to exit out of this. I'm going to create a new project. Here would be where, somewhere right here, somewhere on this interface, on this screen would be prior projects. We don't have any, so create a new project. Now, as you see, we have a blank project. We're going to have to create a new composition. So we click New Composition, and we're going to give it a name of Module 1. And for the most part, the only thing we're ever going to change in these settings would be possibly the background color and the duration. So the duration here, these are seconds, these are milliseconds, these are minutes, and these are hours. So we're going to change the duration to 10 seconds and change the background color to anything. Now over here is where we have pre-composed layers. We have images, imported video files would be over here. This is the assets for your project. I call it the library. And then down here you have your timeline. This over here is the amount of time that we have in the project in this composition, which is right here. So if we create another composition, and we'll name it Module 2, and press Enter, we have Module 1 and Module 2 within the same project. So projects are composed of compositions. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and leave that, and you see down here we have tabs on the timeline, Module 1 and Module 2. Module 1 shows 10 seconds for the duration. As you see, 9, 8, 7. Down here on the timeline you can zoom in or you can zoom out, which will increase or decrease the time magnification. So if you zoom all the way in, you will see individual frames. A second is composed of essentially 30 frames. So if you zoom in and you see 0, 10 frames, 20 frames, 30 frames starts a second. So that's why this changes to 1. And then we see 10, 20, and then where 30 would be, we've got 2. So if you zoom all the way out, you just see 15, 1, you just see the half of seconds. So this is 0, half a second, 1 second, 1.5, 2, 2.5, etc. Okay. I'm going to press Control Q. Whoops, not Control Q, Control K. I'm going to change the background color of Module 1. So when I click to Module 2, we'll see that they're clearly different. Alright. How do you save a project? When you're done, you go to File, Save As, and you save the project. That's about it. It's pretty easy. So what I want you to do now is create another composition titled Module 3 and call it, give it a green background, and that is it.